Imagine there is a pipe. In this pipe, it is fully blocked with the mud and dust particles, which really makes difficulty in passing of the water inside that pipe. Just like that, if there is an unresolved conflicts in your relationship, that does not bring the harmony towards the relationship. Hi, I'm Dr. Vinoth. I'm a Ho'oponopono healer. In this video, I want to introduce you how unresolved conflicts can impact the body and health and the productivity of the work and all, and how you can able to resolve your unresolved conflicts in your relationship. Let me share with you the problems that the unresolved conflicts will create. The first, the impact in the mental area is they are more prone for anxiety and depression. Like studies have shown that 25% of the people who have unresolved conflicts more likely to have the anxiety and depressions. And second thing is the people who have unresolved conflicts mostly have weakened immune system and more prone for decrease in life expectancy. And once there is a weakened immune system, which in turn leads to more risk for heart disease and all. And third thing is unresolved conflict, which really impact like 25% of your work productivity, which will decrease the 25% of the work productivity. And so let me introduce the solution for you. If you are having unresolved conflicts, here you can use this Ho'oponopono technique. So you can able to resolve your conflicts in your relationship. So Ho'oponopono, which is an ancient Hawaiian spiritual practice, which has been happening for more than hundreds of years. They have been practicing this spiritual practice in Hawaiian region, and where you can able to keep on saying, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. By using these four phrases, you can able to resolve your conflicts within you and within everyone also. And let me share with you the personal story of how I resolved the conflicts inside me. There is one day in my hospital, there are lots of patients actually on those hospital. Usually, in that hospital, we used to see like around like 300 patients every day, not even single day. Like every day, we used to see like 300 patients. It'll be really frustrating to see lots of patients in those days. And one day, like two doctors were on leave actually on that day. So I was the one who asked to see like 300 patients on that day. So I was thinking, like I was really frustrated to start to seeing the cases like the frustration level inside me start to increase and the anger also start to increase. Then I start to message to the manager of the hospital, like there are so many cases are there. Like if some doctors are on leave, kindly arrange a relieving doctor so that we can able to have a peaceful thing and we can able to serve the patients also peacefully. Then, but he did not respond anything. But I was keep on thinking inside, like this guy is not responding. Why is this guy is doing like this? The fight which is going inside me itself that is happening. Then I thought, no, okay, like if I keep on thinking, like I will be really stressed. So I started to do Ho'oponopono on myself itself. I started to do advanced Ho'oponopono along with the basic Ho'oponopono I did. After the before starting, the emotional intensity was 10. Then after doing one round of Ho'oponopono, my emotional intensity gone from 10 to 5. Then in the second round, the emotional intensity gone from 5 to 3. In third round, it gone from 3 to 0. That is how like you can able to use this Ho'oponopono technique. So how do you do this Ho'oponopono to resolve the conflicts in the relationship? Let me share with you the basic Ho'oponopono. The first is you have to take what is the problem. Second is you have to take what is the feeling you are feeling. For example, anger. Third is you have to measure what is the emotional intensity of that anger, like from 0 to 10. Like 0 is you don't have anger, 10 is you have maximum anger. You have to take that. Then start us saying these four statements. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. Start saying, repeatedly start saying, I'm sorry for feeling this anger. Please forgive me for feeling this anger. Thank you for feeling this anger. I love you for feeling this anger. I am sorry for feeling this anger. Please forgive me for feeling this anger. Thank you for feeling this anger. I love you for feeling this anger. I'm sorry for feeling this anger. Please forgive me for feeling this anger. Thank you for feeling this anger. I love you for feeling this anger. Once you start to say these statements for around like 10 times, then you can able to see that emotional intensity will be decreasing. I want you guys to try and see it in your life. And if you get the result, comment what is the situation you used to hope not know, what is the result you got it. So comment so that like many people who are seeing get really inspired and they can be able to use hope not know in their life also. So this is my personal story of how I resolved my conflict with the manager and able to resolve those conflicts and able to build the relationship. So if you like this video, you can like, share, and comment. And there is a link in the description. You can click on the link and join my webinar where I'll be introduced the advanced hope of and I'll see you in the webinar also. Thank you for watching this video.